So a recap on the tips. Tip number one, if the thought process that they're stuck in is I'm anxious, you could interrupt it by asking them a question and saying, aren't you more than that? When you ask this simple question, they have to consider it at some level and their mind will begin searching outside of the problem for the answer. Tip number two, they say, Mum, I'm stressed. You say, are you mistaken what you're feeling for who you are? This will give them just enough of a nudge to get them thinking differently and begin the process of disidentifying themselves from the feeling even more. Remember what I said? I'll say it again. Anything your children identify with can control them, and anything your kids disidentify with, they can control. So tip number three, to create even more movement that will take them further outside of the problem, you could also say this: beyond or above that, what's everything else that's in your life that's important? This will begin to tip the angle of their attention, and when you say it this way, it unglues them from the feeling just enough to put things into perspective and helps them to move their attention somewhere else that could possibly make them feel better. And always remember, you can use these questions on yourself, and the same rules apply. When you're stuck in a problem, ask yourself these three questions and see how quick it bounces you out of the problem. So take this concept, come back to this video again if you feel that you need to, and take these new relating skills, integrate them into all of your relationships, and notice how much better you are relating to all the other people in your life. And with that said, if you found this video useful, click like, share and subscribe, and leave a positive comment if you like. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, or you want me to do a video on a specific subject, leave a message and I will make a video and put it up in one of the next videos. So thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.